Hi everyone, Marshall here from Eck Automotive in Chicago. Now sometimes things happen, your car breaks down, or you get in an accident. That's just life. And you think to yourself, is this car worth fixing? Maybe it's a few years old, maybe it's got some miles on it, maybe you've already did some costly repairs to it. Now at that point, once you have that thought, it's a good idea to go to your mechanic, someone that you trust, and say, hey, can you guys give this a look over? Tell me if you guys anticipate this having any problems in the future. Because no two cars are the same, and no two cars have the same experience. So once you're armed with that information, you can sit down with your own personal assessment of what do I want from my car? What do I use my car for? What do I get out of it? And it's only at that point that you can really ask yourself, is it worth it to fix or not? Because no one can answer that question for you. But if you have the right information from a good mechanic that you trust, you can help you make a more informed decision. And again, thank you. I'm Marshall from Eck Automotive in Chicago.